Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So you can see the Panama hat's back on. So that means another episode in our wide world of food. Another fantastic meal we had on our Panama Canal cruise. Forgive my Spanish, but what we're making today is Arroz al Ajillo con Camarones, or garlic shrimp with rice. Hopefully that was close. So this is a very simple dish. It comes together very quickly. Really, the longest leg is cooking the rice, which I have here, and it just finished. So I can get that vented, get that turned off, and we'll be off to the stove to do the rest of it. In the description, you'll find your ingredients, their amounts, and the directions for this dish, but it's incredibly simple. All we have here, 2 pounds of shrimp. They were ginormous, so I cut them all into thirds and I took the tails off. About 8 to 12 cloves worth of minced garlic, about a cup of diced bacon, 12 green onions chopped up, divided into 9 in one dish, 3 in the other. About 4 teaspoons of smoked paprika, which is all I have left here in this container. A tablespoon of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and oh yeah, 16 ounces. That's 2 steaks of butter. That's it. That's all it takes to make this incredible dish. So let's get it going. So for this, you're gonna want the biggest skillet you got, and that's what I got right here. We're gonna get that on medium heat, and then we're gonna take our bacon and get it fried up until it's good and crispy. As that bacon's getting crispy, we're going to take our paprika and season our shrimp along with the salt and pepper. That all mixed in. Once your bacon is about 80% as crisp as you want it, then it's time to add the shrimp and our 9 diced green onions. We're going to cook that just until the shrimp is no longer translucent. As soon as your shrimp has lost its translucidity, sounds like a word to me, we're going to get them out with a slotted spoon, leaving that incredible bacon grease and seasoning behind. Now immediately in goes our 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. As soon as that butter's melted, in goes your garlic, and you're going to stir it for about a minute. Your kitchen should now be filled with the 2 most incredible smells in the world, cooking bacon and cooking garlic. Now in goes your 4 cups of cooked rice. Be careful, don't splash because it'll hurt. Once you feel that you have it well mixed and you're not seeing any big pockets of garlic, now we return the shrimp, bacon, onion mixture back to the pot, get it all mixed up. Then it'll be time to eat. Now you just scoop it out, garnish it with some green onions, and give it a taste. Get some bacon and shrimp in that bite. Again, just like it tasted in Panama. Absolutely incredible. Hey, we'd like to thank you all for joining us today. As always, leave a comment. Tell us where you're watching from, what's your favorite Panamanian dish, what's your favorite Central American dish. We'd love to hear about it. Hit that like button if you'd enjoyed it. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.